It's legal to buy e-scooters and use them on private land with the landowner's permission. However, unfortunately, they cannot be used on the road or other public places. It's not illegal to purchase e-scooters, and as I said previously, they can be used on private land with the landowner's permission. However, we understand this can be frustrating for parents, especially in the run-up to Christmas. So what we will be doing is working with reputable retailers and working with local schools to ensure as many people as possible are fully aware of the legalities of purchasing and also using e-scooters and similar electric vehicles. If you're caught riding an e-scooter with no insurance or otherwise in accordance with a licence, you could find yourself getting a fine, points on your licence, or even a disqualification from driving. South Wales police officers will be out there enforcing this, and they will be taking positive action when people are found committing these offences. The government have designated approximately 30 trial areas. None of these are in Wales, unfortunately. Yeah, anybody riding an e-scooter would count as a vulnerable road user. The problem is with such scooters, they don't have lights on, riders don't always wear helmets, so there is a severe safety consideration if people are going to start using such vehicles on the public highway. If you know their identity and you're prepared to give a statement, I would encourage this to be reported via our website or via the 101 system. Also, if they're identifiable and you've got video footage, you could consider submitting this via Operation Snap, the link to which is on the South Wales Police website.